Welcome to Niche Finance Academy. Here small hustles matter. Welcome to today's video.
The greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Those who don't know that failure is inevitable achieve success. Today we will look at one of the best affiliate programs in the market currently making an excellent passive income online. This amazing website offers the highest returns on the market currently. The name of the website is Digistore24. Digistore24 registration is quite easy. After registration, head to the marketplace, where you will find a ton of products to promote. Most of the products have a 50% commission and some up to 95%. All you will do is click on the product, copy the link and promote it on different platforms. And that's how we make easy money. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment.